All right, guys, here we are on our third day of the Judicial Branch Unit, Unit 4, and we're out here on June 17th, and we are looking at um, our individual rights once again, but we're going to focus a little bit here on due process rights or criminal rights. If you are accused of a crime in this nation, then there are a lot of individual rights that you have as a person being accused of a crime. Those are criminal and due process rights. So you're going to be doing a reading here with a video clip and short quiz followed by a short project there. Okay? Take the first lesson quiz right here and then take a break. Okay? This is going to be quite a bit of work right here. So let's get a break in, and then we're going back to our civil rights, equality before the law, due process, 14th Amendment, and some landmark Supreme Court cases. Okay? So do your reading here on citizenship rights. A couple of video clips here about a history of civil rights and the civil rights movement. And we've got some political cartoons that we dropped into some questions we want you to complete as an assignment. Taking this quiz right here over the amendments, use your resources, your notes, and take your second lesson 3 quiz, and you have accomplished today's mission. All right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, find me on the Zoom at 10 and 1. You got the link, it's on the home page. Have a great day.